In this video, I'll show you how to save your prompt, which you type in M365 Copilot chat while interacting with the agent. Now, you can save your custom prompt in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Basically, it allows reusing your prompt for different scenarios. So, reusability action for your prompts, and prompts are basically saved in a prompt gallery. So, as you see over here in the screenshot, you can type in a prompt, and then once you type in a prompt and get your response back, you get this icon which basically allows you to save the prompt, and the prompt will be saved in a prompt gallery. Now you can perform other operations as well, which I'm going to cover in a separate video, like scheduling a prompt. But in this video I'll be showing you how to save the prompt. So you save the prompt over here, and if you want to navigate to say prompt gallery, so you click on prompt gallery, and then from there here you will be able to see all the prompts which you have saved. Now as you see over here, you see this icon G, you created this, G, you created this, and then you can perform other operations within your prompt gallery as well. Now this is your prompt, so you need to navigate to the capsule, your prompt, and then from there you will be able to access your prompt. Now you can share a copy of this prompt to different teams. So I can select or enter a name, and I can even copy the link to the prompt. So let's look into the interface. Now, before I explain you all this thing, let me show you m365.cloud.microsoft. Now here you have Microsoft 365 Copilot chat over here. Okay. And then if you navigate to all agents, you can see all the agents which you have created. There are some agents which I have created in Microsoft 365 Copilot, like say Oz Politics over here, and uh, let it load. And I have put some instruction around, like I have just conversed with this agent. So what is Senate? So if you see over here, it will give you the description of the Senate. Now if you hover your mouse over here, you can see edit, you can see copy, right? Now you don't see the save option. If I go into all agents over here, and if I go into say cruise ship agent, or maybe Winter Olympics 2026, now this is the custom agent which I have created. Now when you create a custom agent, you can uninstall it. Now here I haven't conversed with this agent, like I'll just ask who won most silver. Now, depending on the configuration, if it has knowledge access, it will give you the response back. If it does not, it will tell you that, hey, I do not have a knowledge access available for me, and then I'll not be able to provide you. And now it has not been able to correctly understand this information, but then I'm just showing you whether we can see the save prompt or not. Now, as you see over here, you don't see the save prompt. Now, if you go to new chat in Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is this interface, I will ask who won most medal in Winter Olympics. Now this is the Copilot chat, so it will have access to all the information, and then it has given me the response back. Now if I hover my mouse over here, you can see that I have an option to save the prompt. So if I click on save prompt, you can specify what title you should keep. So I'll say most medal in Winter Olympics. Who won the most medal Winter Olympics? And I click on save. Now, which country came second in the medal tally, or maybe list Norway's gold medal events? So I'll just pick up this prompt, and again, I will not wait for response. I'll just hover my mouse over the prompt which I've typed. Now, you will not be able to see this until and unless the prompt has finished completing. Now, still, I don't see any items listed on this. And now, once the prompt execution finishes, you will be able to see this save prompt. So I click on save prompt and I'll just say Norway's gold medal. And now I have created this two prompt. Now why do you create this prompt? Because if you have anything which you're gonna use it more frequently, or maybe if you think your team would require this prompt time and again, uh, instead of typing it again and again, it's best to save that in a prompt gallery. Now this one, it is under my context, so I've saved two prompt. Now if you navigate to, say maybe if I just go over here, if I click on new chat over here, and if I click on see more, I will be able to see something called as a prompt gallery. So I click on prompt gallery, and then from here I can see all the suggested prompt which is available through Copilot. Now it has got a category, it has got a job type, and it has got an Copilot agent through which it is coming. Now if you click on your prompt, here you will be able to see the prompt which you have just saved. Now here it is coming from Copilot agent, job type is nothing, task is nothing, created by is nothing. So custom prompt does not have any specific category defined. So these are the two prompts which I have saved. Now it shows you that this is created by Girish, and I have an option to share the prompt. Or if I click on more options, I can remove from saved. So I can go ahead and remove it from saved items. Now let's go ahead and share this prompt. So I can share this prompt. Now, if you click on here, you will see copy link and share to team, copy link and share to team. So let me copy the link, and then I can share this link. So link copied, shared prompt links are accessible to anyone in your company. And I click on manage access to grant access to that particular link. So select the link icon to stop sharing a prompt you created and issued to Copilot. So once I create that link and share it with an end user, they'll be able to access it. But then if I remove the stop sharing, then that link will be disabled. So this is how you can basically share the link and unshare the link. So I'll go to the new chat again. So let me navigate to the new chat. And again, I'll go back to the prompt gallery, and this time I'm going to show you how to share it with the user. So again, going back to your prompts, and then from here, you're copying the link, and now you can share it with the team. So share to team. Now this is not teams, but this is a team. So you need to enter a team name. So let me put Alex as a name. Now Alex is a user, so that's why it's not able to identify it. But if I just type in Girish, then I'll see Girish MVP as one of the team. So I'll select that, and then I'll click on share, and then this particular prompt will be shared with the team. Now again, you click on view and team prompts, and then you can see one more section pops up over here called as a team prompt. Now this is for Girish MVP. Similarly, you can go over here and you can save this prompt within the team prompt. So if you go into prompt, now here you will have a third item which is same as the first one, but then this is like a team prompt. Similarly, you can go ahead and click to share to team, and maybe let me check if I have any other team. So I don't have any separate team created within this tenant. It is the only team which I have. Again, I'll click over here and click on share, and then I have two items in the team prompt, and then again I can save this prompt within the team prompt. So like that, you can create a team prompt within your Copilot prompt gallery. So that's it, folks. This is all about saving your prompt in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Thanks for watching.